There are times fabric is just so stunning, it kind of takes your breath away. These are just beautiful. We're going to start with this black and white, 100% cotton. It's perfect for a little jacket. Very loosely woven. I mean, it's just really beautiful. Kind of, I mean, you can't see through it, but isn't that beautiful? Something that you use both sides. 1750 Robin's jacket would be stunning. 100% cotton. This is a cotton poly blend, textured, stretches in both directions. Isn't that stunning? I want to just hold it there so you can see the pattern of it. It's just beautiful. The texture is just stunning. Then we go to a black, kind of an ecru color. This is a burnout. I'm not sure if this side's the right side or that side, but something like Giuliani's blouse, something that's soft, flowy, got a few ruffles, just gorgeous, just beautiful. This is a cotton poly. It has to be a blend of fabrics, remember, because it's a burnout. So you have to have two fabrics when you burn one away. This is a 100%, love the pattern on this. Love the pattern on that. That is a stretch silk. And it stretches in one direction. All the, really the natural colors, your earth tone colors, your rust, your browns, your blacks, your tans, and a little bit of white in the background. 100% silk, 100% stretch silk, 100% silk also. Isn't that beautiful? Don't even know which side is which, but it is really, really beautiful. It's kind of a wine and a blue, a Wedgwood blue maybe, but it blends so beautiful with this blue. 100% silk woven. This is a cotton poly. I had a jacket some years ago, and I swear it was out of this fabric. It was an Armani. And it's a textured, but it's got stretch to it. It's like a stretch woven, but it's much softer than a stretch woven. So really just a beautiful fabric. And again, cotton poly, lovely jacket, blouse. Oh, anyway, lovely fabrics. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.